company started in 1981 and it specialised in automotive fasteners and also general machining of fasteners. Generally, we're known for taking on some of the more complex components or components with multiple processes. So those processes involve things like drilling or blade rolling or press work. Most of our work is turning work. We'll turn diameters from 1mm up to 65mm bar turning. We'll also do billet work turning up to 6 inches or 150mm diameter. We use mostly Citizen machines, so we have sliding head lathes, which are generally used for really everything from small to high volume work, bar turned products. Also those machines are using LFE, which is very helpful in terms of machining some of the plastics and some of the harder materials. We also operate larger Miyano machines. They're doing diameters up to 65mm, generally above 1 inch up to 65mm diameter. Sustainability to us is our ability to run a business without having a continued detriment to the environment or our surroundings. We address it through a number of targeted activities and projects. Today, all of our energy consumption is from 100% renewables. We are working with IT to improve our business, so we are gradually reducing paper and moving to an IT-based factory floor system. Another example is adopting the oil saving technology. So we've worked with WOGAARD, we've reduced our oil waste by 30%, and actually our efficiency has also gone up by virtue of machines running longer. So if you've got a drawing or you've got a component that you want manufacturing, come and talk to us, send us your inquiries, and we'll be very pleased to deal with you.